Ensure correct PANs in your TDS returns. Any error in PAN will deny tax credit to employees and vendors, may attract penalties, will increase your effort to rectify the errors. Now, verify PANs before TDS returns are filed. TDSMAN checks each PAN with the Income Tax Department and extracts the name of the PAN holder. The PAN and name as provided in the TDS return is displayed. Just a click and start the verification process. Each PAN is verified. The name is extracted and displayed alongside for cross-verification. Red indicates invalid PAN. Use TDSMAN and ensure no PAN errors in your TDS return. TDSMAN saves time, makes it simpler. Download the free trial. Visit www.tdsman.com